to our channel. I'm Steph.
And I am Michelle, and today is week 7 of the One Room Challenge, and today we're going to talk vanities.
Vanities are the central piece in bathrooms that add decor and functionality. It's safe to assume you want a bathroom vanity that is stylish, fits your space, and is designed to meet your needs. So after months of searching, we finally found these Stanhope vanities at the Home Depot in the Home Decorators collection. They are perfect. This is not a sponsored post. I just need to tell you how much I love them. Obviously, not all vanities are made the same. I was so thrilled to see that this solid and sturdy dovetail drawer construction. This design will surely hold up well through the years. They also have undermount drawer slides, which are also much more sturdy than the standard side mount slides that are more frequently used on prefab vanities. It's just another indicator of the quality going into this construction. A lot of vanities have a false drawer in front of the sink, whereas this drawer is functional with sectioned areas fitting around the plumbing fixtures. So not only is this drawer functional, but these sections offer a lot of storage space to organize small bathroom necessities. Soft close doors and drawers are amazing. Need I say more? This was not a must in my search criteria, but it's certainly a bonus. So here's a look at the vanity all opened up. You have 2 large drawers on either side of the sink with a full extend. So it opens up all the way. You have that drawer that fits around the pipes and then another bottom drawer for a total of 4 drawers. And then there are 2 cupboards and they came with a shelf to put in there as well. So lots of space to organize and store all your bathroom needs. Many vanities are sold without countertops, sinks, or hardware, whereas this vanity, top, sink, and hardware were all included. So that was definitely a bonus as well. Another feature I was drawn to about these vanities are the post-style legs. Having vanities raised from the floor help make them feel like a piece of furniture, like a dresser. And of course, a rustic and bleached wood tone was a must. Adding in this wood tone not only helps to warm this space up, but it breaks up all the cold, hard tile surfaces. These vanities also come in more sizes than others I saw, which was helpful with our Jack and Jill bath, as I needed 2 kind of not so common sizes, and best of all, they fit in our budget.
So tell us, are you a saver or a splurger? Would you splurge on a vanity or would you try to save? I love the look of this vanity and I can't believe the price that Steph got for her vanities. I think it's amazing for everything she got.
About half the cost of the Pottery Barn that I was inspired by, for just one vanity. So I love them too. Hopefully this video helped you kind of weigh out those decisions in your mind. The quality versus the look, the function.
If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and share it if you've got someone you know who could use this information. You can follow us on social media. The links are below. And as always here at Sunnyside Design, we hope to bring your home to the sunny side of the street.